It is a great pleasure that we are welcoming Dr. Shruti Kumar today, a wonderful person, a great scholar. Just to add to that, Shruti has recently secured rank 5 in PGI May 2015 exam, and not just that, a rank 10 in AIMS May 2015 exam. Shruti, these are wonderful figures in terms of rank. DAMS is really proud of you. How are you feeling?
Thank you. I'm extremely happy and I'm extremely grateful to God for helping me secure such good ranks in both the entrance examination. And I'm also very thankful to DAMS for guiding me in the right direction.
Let me ask you, Dr. Shruti, here that how precisely is, what is DAM's role in your achievement?
DAMS has a tremendous role in my achievement. I joined DAMS as a foundation batch student, and I also joined it after my internship, and it helped me guide in the right direction to prepare for PG entrance examination and helped me secure the ranks that I did.
Dr. Shruti, as we all know that DAMS is quite active on the online media, and let me just ask you about what is your feedback, what is your experience on the DAMS exclusive club and the CBT exams that we take, the test series and the DAMS cloud?
Yes, the DAMS exclusive club is, I think, the best thing that can happen to any PG entrance exam aspirant. I mean, it is such a wonderful platform. I mean, so many questions are being put up by the students that are preparing for PG. You can get your doubts solved within a few hours, and there are updates by so many teachers which are relevant to the current pattern of examination. So I think DAMS Exclusive Club is a wonderful platform, and the grant tests were extremely helpful, and the pattern is very relevant to the examination, and it also helps you assess your position in among all the students who are preparing.
Any specific inputs regarding the DAMS cloud that we are making available to our students?
Yeah, that is also very helpful. I mean, it is these things that are being provided by DAMS is actually exclusive to DAMS, which are not being done by other coaching institutes. So this gives students an extra edge over other students that are preparing for PG entrance.
That's very nicely and very candidly put by Dr. Shruti Kumar. Let me remind my listeners here, we're talking to Dr. Shruti Kumar, rank 5 PGI May 2015 and rank 10 AIMS May 2015. Taking this discussion to the next level, let me ask Dr. Shruti, did you attend our DVT session?
No, I could not attend it, but some of my friends did, and they found it extremely helpful.
That's great. Let me ask you the most important questions that every junior of yours and every aspirant for PGA medical entrance exam would like to know. How did you prepare for your exams?
My strategy was to do a lot of questions, and in minimum time, your output should be maximum. So do a lot of questions, refer to DAMS notes, because they are very concise and crisp information, and they cover maximum amount of topics, and also take a lot of grant tests. I mean, grant tests are very important. I think the most important aspect of PG entrance examination preparation, and also be regular in your coaching classes and revise the notes regularly.
Let me ask you another very important and relevant question here, that how did you manage your time while you were preparing for such exams?
Yes, time management is very important, and since there are 19 subjects and very extensive subjects, so I think smart study is very important. For that, I mean, I think notes are the best way to do any subject, because in minimum amount of time you can cover maximum important topics, and also questions. I mean, everybody should solve as many questions and at least completely cover their notes.
As you have been mentioning about the notes, let me just ask you that did you go through the DAMS study material, the notes that DAMS is providing to the students?
Yes, yes.
How do you find them?
Extremely helpful. Like I said, there are 19 subjects, and you cannot cover each subject from the subject-wise textbooks that are there. So DAMS modules are extremely helpful. Those are the must-know areas that every PG aspirant should know, and again, in minimum amount of time, your aim should be to get maximum benefit from the notes as well as the modules.
And I would also like to tell our listeners here that DAMS study material is based on the standard textbooks that are recommended in all the medical schools all over the country. These study material that has been given to the students is revised and updated every year. Now, let me ask you once again to sum up, what was your success mix?
I think hard work is the most important thing. Everybody has to put in their maximum effort, and also you have to study very smartly. I mean, you should take a lot of tests. You should keep yourself updated with the latest changing pattern of examination, and there the club also helps you a lot in that. And you should have notes which you can refer to at the last minute, because you cannot revise everything from the main textbooks in the last minute.
Well, to all our listeners, I would like to tell that these are the words from the topper herself. We are talking to Dr. Shruti Kumar, rank 5, PGI May 2015, and rank 10, AIMS May 2015. Dr. Shruti, please don't mind my asking you this question, that what difference did you feel in yourself during the preparation and your time spent at DAMS, right at the time of joining our course and then at the time when you were ready to take the exam? What difference did you feel in yourself?
When I joined DAMS, I did not have much idea about how to prepare for PG entrance examination, because its pattern is very different from what we normally study for our professional examinations. So it guided me in the right direction, and it helped me develop confidence in myself. And after taking tests, after attending classes, and after solving so many questions, I think I gained a lot of confidence in myself, and that helped me perform better.
So what I can gather from your inputs is that you became more focused.
Yes.
And your preparation became more spearheaded, with more edge.
Yes.
With DAMS guidance. That's really nice to know from you. And just before we wind up this conversation, a small input from you, that how good is the DAMS evaluation system? We are referring to the various tests that we conduct, we provide to the students for evaluation. How good is that, and how did that help you?
It is pretty much accurate, because when I was giving the all the tests, my rank would be around in the top 20, and so it predicted my rank pretty accurately. So that also helped me gain confidence in myself. So the evaluation is very right.
Well, I would say your preparation was very right, that the evaluation was just a mirror image of your preparation. Let us just know from you that which teachers influenced you most in DAMS?
I think all the teachers are very helpful, and especially personally I feel that the short subjects are covered extremely well in DAMS. Skin, anesthesia, radio, psyche, ortho. So I think for these subjects I just refer to the notes, and they were more than sufficient. And apart from that, I think gynae was very good, pediatrics was good, surgery was good, medicine was good. I think most subjects were very good.
Well, that's very nice to know, and we have been taking a lot of your time in asking you how did you prepare and which was good, what was bad. Now let's be forward looking. Let me ask you, which branch are you going to opt?
I am pretty confused right now, but maybe I'll go for obs and gynae, but I'm not very sure.
That's definitely your call, and whatever branch you take, we are sure that you're going to be a very good doctor. Any message to your juniors?
Yes, I would like to tell my juniors that you should focus on studying intelligently. Do a lot of questions, refer to notes, take all the grand tests, they're very important, and join the club. It is a very extremely good platform. It benefited me a lot, and I'm sure it will benefit every student.
Would you recommend them to join DAMS
for
their preparation?
Of course.
That's very nice to know, and we thank Dr. Shruti Kumar here, rank 5 PGI Chandigarh exam May 2015, rank 10 AIMS May 2015 exam. It was wonderful talking to you. Thank you very much for all your valuable feedback.
Thank you so much.